What's going on, everyone? I'm Cheddar Chisel, and welcome back to the channel. And today we got some more SB19. Now we're gonna start a new series here. We're gonna do SB19 show break. So really excited to get into this. I have no idea what this is all about. I know a bunch of people have been talking about it in the comments, want to see it. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this, shall we? So without further ado, let's check out these sound breaks together. Drop a like on this too. All right, time to see what this is all about. Sword game. Okay.
Hello! Hello!
Wow, they look so young.
So ngayon nandito kami sa
Hello? Okay.
Pasay City National Science High School. Actually, nandito kami ngayon for Korean Culture Caravan. And
Okay.
ayun, so maraming beses na kami nakapag-perform sa Korean Culture
So
Caravan.
we got Justin with red hair, Pablo with bleach hair. Man, they look so, it's crazy to see how much they've grown.
And
Since
ngayon
then.
sobrang excited pa rin kami kasi ayun, iba-iba naman yung nangyayari sa Korean Culture Caravan eh.
Nandito sa dressing room.
Oh, sa dressing room.
Actually, ng mga performers, which is, actually sila yung mga nanalo ng Pinoy K-pop Star 2018. So, sila talaga yung mga magagaling mag-perform. And we've been together for a lot of times na like performing together sa mga Korean Culture Caravan. Marami na rin, hindi ko na maalala eh. Pero yon, syempre, since magpapalaro kami ngayon, and here's Stel. Pakilala mo.
Yes. Hello guys. Ako yung host for today. Yes.
Host for today. Stel and Josh
Yes.
is gonna be the host for today.
So, kasi marami pa kaming time, naghahantay kami and sobrang dami pa naming time kaya papagame muna tayo.
So sino mo unahin natin?
We're mixing,
Mixin?
covering Woodja Sonyo, WJSN of Korea.
Yes.
I've never heard
So
of them.
sila yung mga idol natin actually.
There are
Sila yung mga
idols.
magagaling.
Okay.
Sila yung nag-champion last Pinoy K-pop
Yes,
Star.
congrats.
Oh, they were the last champions. Okay.
Yes. Today, ready ba kayo?
Okay lang ba magpalaro kami ng game?
Ready ba?
Ready na ba sa-
Ready ba? Ready ba kayo? So, ilang kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ganito.
It's so funny watching them interact with these girls here. They seem SB19 just seems so full of life. And these ladies just they seem a little reserved.
So today, maglalaro tayo ng special game at ito ang tinatawag natin na SB19 Sword Game!
Yes,
Yan, so, so, sword game. So ito lang yung sword. So ito lang yung
Wait,
rule.
what? There's like two comments here. Like, hold on. Do I need to turn this off? Of course, I won't allow it. Like, wait, what? Hold on.
Yan, so,
Are you okay with it if
so,
you had a sister?
sword game. So ito lang yung
I wouldn't allow you guys to date
sword.
her.
So ito lang yung rule ng game. Ito yung rule ng game. Meron tayong dalawang sword.
Wait, I'm so confused here. Which one is correct? Do I just turn this off? Yeah, let's turn this off.
Isa dyan mahaba, isa maikli.
Actually, game na lang eh. Ano na natin. Bato-bato, pick na muna sila. Sino? Di ba
Ito,
yung...
hatiin na natin. Yan.
Okay.
Galing ka, di mo na. Pinati mo.
Ito yung sword. Tawagin natin si Ken. Ken, you do the honor. Can you please scramble the sword?
Scramble. Huwag mo pakita. Okay. Ang galing.
Two representatives each member.
Oh, the ladies are getting fired up.
Dalawa pa. Dalawa dapat per group.
Isa pa. Okay. So, ito na yung sword. Nakikita nyo, di ba?
Pero syempre, bago
This girl right here, she's like, huh?
Um,
Pero
Facial
syempre,
expression.
bago mag-start, pakilala mo na sila. May message ka ba para sa magulang mo? Napapanood ko sa TV ngayon.
Hello, Mami! First time ko sa TV.
Aw.
Janelle po. Hello. Thea. Hi, Ma. Char.
yeah.
Jamie.
Nagpakilala siya kanina kaya.
Mita.
Mita.
Sisimulan natin yung game sa simpleng bato-bato
Rock,
pick.
paper, scissors? Okay.
One player for bato-bato pick. Game? Isang bato-bato pick lang. Ready, ready?
Oh, she's ready to
5,
box.
6, 7, 8. Bato-bato pick. Okay, okay. Dahil ikaw ang nanalo, ikaw ang mamimili kung ano ang mananalong sword. Mahaba ba o maikli?
Ako lang! Hindi, syempre mali!
Ano ba gusto mo?
She's consulting.
Gusto mo ba mahaba o mali?
Do you prefer?
Isa ba? Pero bago mag-start, syempre, sino muna unang pipili?
Okay, so need ulit natin magbato-bato pick para malaman natin kung sino ang unang pipili ng sword.
Okay.
Next player, please. Bato-bato pick.
Let's go to this. Go to this.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Bato, pick!
Ooh.
Kayo yung nanalo.
The team on the
Kayo yung
right's
unang
winning.
May chance pumili ng sword.
Baka ba, huwag nyo muna babunutin ha. Pili lang muna kayo. Pili lang muna
Pili
kayo.
kayo ng sword.
Wait lang! Uy, help. Amuyin.
Smell it.
Pwede ka
What?
Pwede hawakan.
What is happening?
Oh! Huwag mo muna bunutin. Huwag mo muna bunutin. Oh, bigay mo, bigay mo, bigay mo.
Okay.
Yan. Yan.
Sword nyo. Sword.
Huwag nyo muna titignan.
Ito yung maliit. Parang mali.
Okay? So, isang player maghahawak, and isang player hihila ng sword.
Oh.
Ready?
Let's
Ready?
go!
Wait lang ha, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Sabihin mo yung
Ano gagawin? Hihilangin mo lang.
Pero, bago
There's a lot being said here. Who will you save? Okay.
nyo
Sorry guys,
hilahin,
ito atay maikli.
bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3 bago nyo hilahin ha. Ready na ba?
Yes. Ito na.
Ready?
Ready?
Game?
Game.
1,
2! Sure ka na ba na yun yung sword?
Yeah, he's not saying this stuff. Yeah. Okay. Are you sure that's the sword that will make you win? That's the one.
Sa'yo, yan na. Sure na?
No choice kami!
Pero feeling mo, feeling mo.
Feeling ko ito yung maliit eh.
Anong prize? Respeto.
Respect.
Game. Josh, bilangan mo na.
Ah, sige. In 1, 2! Sino crush mo sa K-pop Dominic?
Ah!
May joke.
She's taken.
Balik ka tayo,
Dahil
balik ka
taken
tayo.
na, tuloy na natin yung game. Taken ka na, so i-take na natin yung game. Ready?
1, 2, 3!
I love how they did this game. They made it so fun. Like it's such a
Kayo ang nanalo,
A
di ba?
simple thing,
Yung team nyo.
but
Ito
they
ang
made it
punishment.
fun.
Dahil nanalo kayo,
Punishment.
ano ang punishment?
Dahil nanalo kayo, you get to hammer them. Bahala kayo kung gaano kalakas, kung saan.
Wait lang yung buhok ko. Ito na yung...
Wait. Don't mess up the hair.
Para makaganti ako sa lahat ng ginawa niya sa akin.
Okay, game?
Go kayo sa
Revenge.
camera.
Oh, masarap! Bait naman.
Oh, pasok naman.
Dalawang
Bonk. Bonk.
Ay,
Tita, pagluluto kita!
Ooh, she looks like she's gonna go for it. Soft.
Yan na, pinapalitin mo na, no? Naman kay Teya, walang po. Ito na po.
Scary.
Ito?
Sir, I don't know who you are, but I think it was fine.
No!
Parang ano, galit na galit ka sa kanya.
Yo, right in the that was a little low.
Hindi, okay na.
So,
No!
Yeah.
congratulations kayo nanalo. And question, anong nararamdaman nyo dahil kayo yung nanalo sa isang prestigious competition? Ano?
Prestigious.
Bilang leader sa paghampas ng hammer, ano masasabi masasabi mo?
Feeling ko nalabas ko lahat.
Yun na yun. Yun na yun.
Ay, hindi pa, meron pa, isa pa. Ito masaya, feeling ko masaya siya.
Okay, so congratulations again. Guys, may tanong ako sa inyo. Di ba, kasi lagi namin kayo nakita nagpa-perform with us and lagi namin kasama yung KCC, di ba, pag nagpa-perform tayo. Tanong ko lang, sa group nyo, sino yung nagtuturo ng sayaw?
Who teaches the choreography? Hey.
So, hindi ka ba nahihirapan?
She looks so proud.
Kakopy mo yung step, tapos tuturo mo sa kanilang lahat.
Nahirapan nga ako kaya gusto ko pa mamalo eh.
So, ayan yung ginagawa
Oh,
mo.
she's so aggressive.
Lagi nalilate.
She wants to hit more.
Hindi na po ako magsasalita based sa reaction nila, okay na po.
Feeling ko, actually kayo lahat matagal ko rin nakita nagko-cover. Tingin nyo gaano pa kayo katagal magko-cover?
Siguro mga 1 year na lang.
1 year.
Nasa Petro, feeling ko, may 38 years pa.
38 more years. Okay.
Last
Interesting
question.
number.
Sa dami-dami ng mga mahilig sa K-pop dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. And talagang todo support sila sa inyo dahil sa pagko-cover nyo. And last time, di ba, kayo pa yung champion. Grabe yung cheer nila sa inyo. Ano yung masasabi nyo sa kanila? Sa support nila? Anong masasabi nyo? Anong masasabi nyo?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait.
Kasi kailangan may ano to may background music kasi medyo...
Background music. Hey. Drama.
Actually, nagte-thank you talaga ako.
Even
Kaso
Josh
kasi
is
ang ingay ng
laughing.
members ko, wait lang.
Hindi, totoo na. Nagte-thank you po kami kasi hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin sila. Hindi lang nila kami iniwan ng PKS. Hanggang ngayon, nagsusupport pa rin sila. Sana napapasaya namin sila.
Okay.
Patuloy na napapasaya.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
That was good. She put her aggression aside and
Pero totoo naman, di ba?
Ayun, dito na tatapos yung game natin.
Eh.
So, congratulations ulit sa group nyo. Thank you so much sa paglaro sa amin. Again, invite nyo sila kung meron pa kayong mga next event, performances.
Wala pa po.
Nothing.
pero,
Invite nyo, ganun.
panoorin niyo po yung mga future dance cover po namin, ay video cover namin sa page po namin, facebook.com/mixinph.
Yan.
Thank you so much, Mixin.
Thank you po.
Good luck sa mga future events.
Thank
and
you po.
Good luck sa ating lahat.
Thank you po.
nice job.
Kakatapos
Still did a really good job of hosting.
Sa mixing yung sword game natin. Bakit di naman natin try doon sa ibang cover groups, di ba?
Let's go. Habang marami pang oras.
Yes, marami pa
Di ba
tayo.
sila busy? Di ba?
They're like, we don't want to bother them, but we do.
Ang Kaiju X,
Kaiju
di ba?
X,
Kaiju
okay.
X. Pwede nyo bang i-introduce yung sarili nyo?
Yung group. Introduce your group.
Ngayon, nandito kami with Kaiju X.
I haven't heard of this group.
Hi, we are Kaiju X. Yan. Hi.
I
Napakagaling. So, alam mo ba bakit ka namin kinausap ngayon?
Bakit?
Hindi, kasi actually...
Wala talagang idea.
Walang
I
idea.
have no idea.
Hindi, actually kasi, meron kaming game for today na gusto namin ipalaro sa inyo, patry.
So today, maglalaro tayo ng 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sword game! Yes! Ito. So,
Idea ba kayo about sword game? Explain natin yung game.
hindi, mamaya natin explain syempre.
Mamaya?
Bago natin explain, syempre, dun muna tayo, pumunta tayo sa kabilang grupo, sa K-Idol. K-Idol, di ba? Busy ba kayo?
They're like, hold
Hindi
on,
naman.
let's
Tara, tayo kayo.
go visit the ladies
So
really
ngayon,
quick.
kasama naman natin ang...
K-Idol!
Yes, hello K-Idol.
What, are they gonna do a versus?
Pwede niyo bang ipakilala
The
yung group
two
nyo?
groups?
Yes, we are K-Idol.
They like that, yeah, that was good.
Wait. Hindi sila papatalo.
They won't lose.
Take two.
Hindi sila papatalo.
Hold on.
Take two. Game.
Hindi sila papatalo, syempre naman.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Ako na. 1, 2, 3, go. Annyeonghaseyo, we are Kaiju X!
Okay. They had to
So,
compete with the ladies here because they did so good.
Di ba, introduction pa lang, meron
Yeah,
ng away. diba?
serious.
Naramdaman ko
natural.
yung init dito eh. Naramdaman ko eh. So, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng sword game. Ilabas ang espada!
Pero syempre, sayaw-sayaw ka, ganun.
Siyempre, dahil dalawang teams yung kasama natin.
Kailangan din nila paglabanan kung sino yung mauunang pumili ng
Yes.
espada.
So, kayo, laban sa kanila.
Pili kayo ng isang representative.
One
Dalawa,
representative.
Dalawa.
Make it 2.
Siyempre, bato-bato big mo ba?
Simple lang to.
Suntukan. And then,
Oh, she ready to go.
Simpleng bato-bato-pick lang. Bato-bato-pick, gano'n. Ready?
bato-bato
She's
big
like,
muna.
really? I wanted to fight.
5, 6, 7, 5. Teka lang. Parang familiar kayong dalawa. Kayo ba yung may parody ng Tila Luha?
Oh, they did. Okay.
Kayo!
It was you. Oh, they're gonna give a snippet.
Sample
Oh,
naman dyan.
really?
Unti-unting lunurin. Okay, balik
Oh,
tayo sa
still
game.
sounds so
Simpleng
good.
bato-bato
Just-
pick lang. Ready?
just right off the top.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bato-bato pick! Oh!
Ngayon,
Ikaw ang nanalo.
dahil ikaw na nanalo,
Ikaw ang mamimili kung ano ang mananalo. Ang mahabang sword o ang maikling sword? Sword.
Mahaba daw, mahaba.
A long one.
Sige,
Okay.
mahabang sword.
Okay.
Okay. Next player. Simple lang ulit. Suntukan.
Simple as right. Man, what these ladies?
At dahil
They're so
isang tila
aggressive.
luha din, sample. Again, bato-bato pick. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bato-bato pick.
Oh,
Bato-bato pick.
oh.
bato-bato pick!
Oh!
Okay, the boys are winning.
Sila na lang ang nanalo. Okay. Okay, ganito mangyari. Dahil kayo ang nanalo, kayo ang may chance na pumili ng sword. Kayo yung kauna-unahang pipili ng sword. So, labas sword! Labas sword!
Sayaw!
Okay?
Okay. Oh, dali,
Okay.
papiliin mo sila. Papiliin mo na sila.
Papiliin mo sila ng sword.
Huwag niyo munang
Huwag niyo
bubunutan,
munang
ha?
hilahin, ha?
Oh.
Pili.
Nakaramdaman ko malaki to.
Yan.
Yan, okay na?
Yan. Final.
Final.
Bigay mo na sa ano. Final na yan, ha? Yan na yan. Okay, ganito mangyayari. Ngayong hawak nyo na yung sword. Ano ulit pinili mong sword?
Ayun.
Mahaba.
Walang palitan.
Wala.
Hey man, you were so eager. You
Dapat
just
stick to one.
you put your hands on it. Commit, yeah.
Diba? Hawak nyo na yung sword. Pinili niya mahaba.
Yeah, they're in your hands, buddy.
Magkakaalaman kung sino ang may mahabang sword.
Oo.
Pagbilang namin ng 3, hihilahin nyo yung sword, ha? Ready?
Okay?
Pagbilang namin ng 3,
He doesn't seem too confident in his choice.
Ready? 1! Excited dyan. 1! 2! Wait!
Kanta ka muna ng Tilalua.
Alam mo yung sample ng Tilalua? Sample!
Okay.
Dali na.
Inidrama ni Shara. Oh, Shara.
Ready? Unti-unti. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Unti-unti nanunin ang aking nadarama.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Buhos ng ulan, huwag na
Oh, he's good. That was good. I'm
Balik tayo sa
impressed.
game, balik. Game na,
Okay,
game na.
okay.
Ready na to?
Yeah.
Ready?
He gave it a real chance.
2, 3!
They did win.
Paano to? Nagmakapas.
Oo nga. So dahil nanalo kayo guys, pwede nyo silang pukpukin isa-isa.
Bunk. They get to bunk.
Gamit ang
Oh.
So, Kaiju X. Teka, sige, isa-isa per member.
One by
Okay,
one, per member. Oh, he's
Ba't
being
takip kayo mo?
he's being gentle.
Ikaw
a
naman.
true gentleman.
Ang bait nyo naman.
Ang bait,
Ang bait
ang
nyo.
Evenly placed.
Gentleman.
Our gentleman, yeah.
Parang sama ng tingin niya.
Dapat yung bumubuelo.
Purple hair. Oh, winding
Maganda
up.
yung buelo. Oh.
Oh!
Respect.
May padasal.
Nice. Ang ganda. Oh, napaka-gentle, no? Oh, nice. Congratulations.
All of them give
Dahil ang boring ng
very
pagpapok nila, pero naman
gentlemanly
sa kanila.
bunks. The girls.
Grabe ito. Pinuwagan yung ano pa. So, again, congratulations, guys. Congratulations.
Are all Filipino
Ang tanong lang,
girls
ano
so
nararamdaman niyo na
aggressive?
nanalo kayo sa napakalupit na game na to?
May message ba kayo para sa mga pamilya nyo?
We would like to thank our family for we would like to thank our family for supporting us in every event that we have. Yeah, thank you. Oh my God, Philippines!
Philippines! Eh sila naman, kahit di kayo nanalo, anong masasabi nyo?
By bukas. May bukas pala.
May next ano ba?
May next card.
May next Friday.
Bawi kayo.
May next Friday ba?
Okay, na, next question, tanong ko lang sa both groups. Di ba, lagi tayo magkakasama,
Love the
nagpe-perform tayo sa
competitiveness.
Carnival. Actually, magkakasama ba tayo? At tanong ko lang, sino sa group nyo yung nagtuturo, nagkakopy ng steps para ituro? Sino?
Okay, okay. So the gal down here? Okay.
Ay, ako si Doris.
Leader.
Hindi ka naman nahihirapan magturo sa mga members mo.
Sinusubukan ko hindi mahirapan.
Sino pinakamatigas ulo?
I'm trying not to.
Alam na nila kung sino.
They know who it is. She's always late.
Alam mo bakit ka late? Nakagawa ng parody.
Ayan.
Sa group nyo naman, sino yung kumukuha ng steps,
Okay.
nagtuturo?
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
gusto kong magsalita about dyan kasi sa amin medyo parang
Extra
hindi naman
baggage.
mabigat pero medyo mabigat nga. Mabigat nga ako. Joke lang. Hindi, ako yung kumukuha ng step kasi wait lang. Hold on.
Kinukuha mo galing sa kanya.
Oo, kinukuha ko galing sa kanila kasi sobrang hirap talaga mag-aral by yourself.
Okay.
So yun, sila po yung kumukuha ng step. Ito girl group, ito boy group. Yan, mga ganun.
Move on na tayo sa next question. Tingin nyo, gaano kayo katagal magko-cover? Since feeling ko, kayo lahat, mostly, di ba, matagal-tagal na sa K-pop scene. Para nagko-cover na kayo matagal. So, hanggang kailan kayo magko-cover tingin nyo?
As long siguro kaya ng schedule and
Lahat ba kayo working? Or student?
Working.
Working lahat. Pero at least,
Working.
congrats.
Bagay, napakahirap talaga niya.
Last question. Di ba alam naman natin na dito sa Pilipinas maraming nagsusupport and maraming fan ng K-pop, di ba? And lahat sila sinasuportahan tayo, di ba? Sa mapa-events man or kahit ano, lagi sila nandyan. Ano yung masasabi nyo sa mga supporters nyo?
Sino gusto man ako? Kayo? Kay Joex.
Na? Ano masasabi?
Alright, so first and foremost,
Hindi naman kami na-inform na siya pala yung ano.
nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Kahit na medyo yung ibang tao hindi masyadong kilala yung kung ano yung kino-cover namin and they support us pa rin. Oh, English. Then yan, so sa lahat ng schools, high school na napuntahan namin, sobrang overwhelming yung
What's Ken doing
pagtanggap
back
nila
there?
sa K-pop, sa Korean culture. So, yeah, thank you and yun lang. Thank you so much, guys.
Next, to your fans, supporters, anong masasabi?
ito din ako maraming fans. Hello?
Yan.
Oh.
Thank you for Thank you for supporting K-Idol and thank you din sa KCC for having us sa Cultural Caravan since it's our first time din to join ng Caravan.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Yun, thank you so much kay Idol and kay X. Maraming salamat. Salamat.
Meron daw siyang gustong sabihin. Ano yun?
Pinopromote ko lang yung yung website namin. Website. Facebook page namin, Kaiju X Cover Group. Yeah, you can search that on Facebook, guys, and also my YouTube channel. Jeremy, andito sa baba.
Andito ba? Vlogger?
Jeremy Basana. Andito.
Pag-editin mo ba?
Jeremy Basana.
Pag-editin mo ba? Okay, sila.
Kayo na, dapat may patulong din kayo.
Sige. Ano ba yun? Please like our page kay Idol and then watch nyo yung video namin ng Latata and Han. Then click here to subscribe.
Hey. Nice, nice.
Okay. Sige, thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you sa pag-participate and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ginawa nating mga kalokohan.
Yes. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating special segment, ang SB19's Sword Game!
Yes!
Hanggang sa susunod na ating pagkikita. Paalam!
Oh, that was so cool. Man, that was fun. Like it was I like what they're doing here. This makes me appreciate SB19 even more because like they're basically they're shotting out and they're giving the camera to these other groups, which is really cool. And this was what 5 years ago, I think it says, right? 5 years ago. Yeah, this was 5 years ago, and they're showing them love, right? They're just I thought it was really cool, like in the fact that they're just doing it like back there while people are just kind of waiting around practicing. It's really cool to see them interact with the other groups, and they're having so much fun. Yeah, I really enjoyed this, but Patreon members, I love y'all so much. Thank you for supporting me. This is something that I would like to do full time. Right now, I work full time, single parent, almost full time, and try to do this as much as possible. So your support just means the world to me, and working towards that goal. So thank you guys. But if you like this video, go and drop a like, comment down below. I love reading y'all's comments. Can't wait to see what you got for me on this one. And I can't wait to get in some more show break. But until the next one, keep fighting. I love y'all. Peace.